It's 2025, and iPhones are smarter than ever. But if you've downloaded an app from the App Store and can't find it on your home screen, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in this video, I'll explain exactly why this happens and how you can fix it quickly. Let's get started. Go to the last page of your home screen and swipe left to open the app library. Use the search bar at the top and type the app's name. If you find it, press and hold the app, then tap Add to Home Screen to place it where you want. In 2025, Apple lets you choose where new apps appear. If your iPhone is set to send apps only to the app library, you won't see them on the home screen. Go to Settings, Home Screen, and App Library. Make sure the Add to Home Screen option is selected instead of App Library only. If your app still isn't showing up on the home screen, here are a few more things to check. Check if the app is still downloading. Go to the App Store and see if the app is still in the download process. Check screen time restrictions. If parental controls are enabled, they might be blocking the app from appearing. Check for hidden home screen pages. Long press on your home screen, tap the dots at the bottom, and make sure none of your pages are hidden. Now you know why some apps don't appear on the home screen in 2025 and how to fix it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.